So you want to add a little text in front of your text, and you want to do it automatically. Say you want to indent these lists underneath maybe some sublist, right? I would honestly recommend not doing this because we're adding spaces, but maybe you're adding some other kind of text. If you do want to indent this, I might suggest doing something like this, moving those sublists into another column. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to add a little text in front of the text. And we want to add a little helper function here that does this. So let's go to our app script. We're going to need one thing first, which is our onOpen function, which will allow us to create a menu. That's at bettersheets.co/snippets. I can delete some of this stuff, and we only need one thing, which is we'll add a text menu, and we'll say add spaces. We'll call this add spaces. So the user will see the two words add spaces, but it will trigger the function add spaces here. So let's create that function. So we're going to need the active range, spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet.range get value. So we have the value of that. We can call this variable first value equals, meaning we're just assigning that first value there. And then we're ultimately going to do spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet.getRange, so all of this again. And then we're going to do .setValue. What is the value we're going to set? It's going to be of new value or new text. New value equals first value. And right at the beginning, we're going to add in quotes 2 spaces. We need a plus sign here. So let's save that and let's go test it. How we test this is we'll close it and we'll refresh our sheet. And right next to the help menu is our text menu, and it says add space. So let's go and select it and add a space. We may have to authorize it the first time that we run it. I think we need to add get active range and not get active spreadsheet. So let's try that again. There we go. And we can do this as many times as we want. We can just add spaces. Again, we can add any text we want. So if we want to add that folder, let's create a new function, add folder, and just need to add a new item to our menu, add folder, call this add folder. We can even show the emoji of the folder and add that at the beginning. So let's save this, and again we're going to refresh our sheet so that our text menu has add folder. So let's say we want to add a folder here, a new task list, add a folder, and we've added the folder to the beginning. So we've added some text in front of the text, and we do it with this menu here. Pretty cool, right? You can get this sheet and the script down below. Click down below for access to that sheet.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.